In this video, I'm going to explain the basic rules of the degrees of comparison in the Spanish language. First, let's see what a comparison is, then how to make them in Spanish, and finally, I will show some irregular ones. What are comparatives? We use comparatives to compare people or things. Carmen is just as friendly as her mother. In this example, we see the comparison of equality. It shows that things, or in this case people we are comparing, are equal in some way. The second degree is the comparative one. Lizzie is taller than Henry, my car is more expensive than yours, and David is less enthusiastic than his brother. These sentences compare two things to show which has the lesser or greater degree of the quality. And the last one is the superlative degree. This compares more than two things to show which has the least or greatest degree of the quality. Mary is the tallest of all the girls in class. We start with the comparison of equality. In English we use as, and in Spanish tan, como. José es tan guapo como su hermano gemelo. Carmen es tan lista como Pablo. Now, in the video about the adjectives, I've explained that in Spanish the adjectives completely adapt to the noun they describe. The name of a person is called a proper noun, and therefore the adjective listo, smart, must agree to Carmen in gender and number. Carmen is feminine, so therefore lista. The same goes for the third example. Los tulipanes son tan bonitos como las rosas. Tulipanes, tulips, is a masculine plural noun, and therefore the adjective bonito becomes bonitos. And then the second one, the comparative degree. In Spanish we use más que, more than, or menos que, less than. Esta sudadera es más bonita que esa. Una bicicleta es menos cara que un coche. Las serpientes son más rápidas que los caracoles. And in all three the examples you see that again the adjective agrees in gender and number with the noun it is referring to. And then the last one, the superlative, or el superlativo. You use el, la, los, las, lo, plus a noun, plus más o menos. A few examples. Salamanca es la ciudad más bonita de España. El pastor alemán es el perro más leal de todos. And eso es lo más interesante. Now in Spanish you use the neutral article lo if you're not referring to something specific, but you use it more in a general way of speaking. And then a few irregular ones. In Spanish, there are irregular comparatives that behave like the equivalent of the English comparatives better, worse, older, and younger. Bueno becomes mejor, malo, peor, viejo, mayor, and joven, menor. A few examples. Yo hablo español mejor que mi amiga Tina. Mi hermana es menor que yo. And esta es la peor hora del día. And now you know what are degrees of comparison, the forms and some irregular ones.